St. Mary's Primary School.
and Primary 5A.
These are our characters.
I hope you like them.
I am Chloe. I love winter because I love the cold. I have brown hair and I love playing with a ball.
I am Lily. I have a mom and a dad, and I have a friend called Chloe.
I am Owen. I have brown hair and I'm very rich.
I am Olivia. I like music and I am scared of big spider. My secret is that I have a secret book.
I am Vanessa. I like gymnastics. I love doing my handstand. I am very pretty. I like winning a competition.
I am Ayla. I am scared of spiders. I have a mom and dad.
I am Rico. I'm a boy and I have black hair. I have a superpower. It's lightning and I'm afraid of lightning.
I'm Rosie. My favourite food is spaghetti. I'm afraid of spiders and my favourite colour is white.
I'm Amber. I love to dance. My favorite food is sushi and I like to game.
My name's Lily and I like arts and crafts and I hate big spiders. I am Holly. I love dancing. I have a brother.
I am Blaze. I have a fire head. I like video games.
I am Owen Jr. In the daytime, I am a cat. In the nighttime, I am a bear.
I'm Momo. I'm a really cool cat that wears amazing socks. Meow.
I am Chloe and I am a superhero. And I like dogs.
My name is Violet. I like ice cream. I am a superhero. My secret superpower is when I can say any power I want and then I get it.